Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K60 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage lighting via app. In the beginning, let's enter Corsair app and select your K60 Pro. Now you can manage lighting effects from this menu. Firstly, you can add lighting layers. From presets, you can create custom one, or you can set up lighting link. You can change speed of the lighting, colors, or select random. Also, you can go to lighting library and use the lighting library for sharing lighting across profiles and devices. In the end, if you go to settings of your keyboard, you can change brightness level of the lighting. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.